So it means now like this, we want to start selling physical products, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now to sell physical products, what's the first thing you need to do?
The first I need to do just to create my shop, online shop. Then 5 products to put inside. The product that the people need, the mind that the people need. I can go to, as I watch your video, go to do research for things that people need.
Yes.
Then and put onto my shop.
Yes.
Then and advertise. But how to do that, I don't know. I watch your video where you are teaching something like that. Show it where you watch the demand of people in the product, the much demand, then you put it to your own business. I watch where you do something like that.
I did not get to what you just said right now. You watched one of my videos in the training program where I was talking about what?
Talking about the physical product.
Yes.
To go to where the demand is more, the product, the demand is much.
Okay, the demand is much, yeah.
Then I put it to your own shop.
Okay, can you open the place for the course now? Let me see the website where the platform where the course is actually uploaded.
Let me come to WhatsApp. Come in.
Yeah.
Watch. I cannot remember the particular video.
No, this is down here. Go scroll down.
Down?
Yeah, here, this message. Yes, this one.
Here.
Down.
Here?
Yeah, it's starting there because online. Yeah.
I will go to the condition. Here?
Yeah. This is where the course is actually uploaded on this platform, in the members area. So this is the members area here. So now on this platform here, for example, on this platform here, for example, scroll down. Yeah, scroll down completely. That's step 1, step 2. Step 3, step 4, step 5. Yeah, now this step 5, that's where this is the final section here. So step 5, step 5, click on it. It's going to go back to this place. Log in to the members area and then you click on stay connected. Just click on stay connected. Stay connected.
Stay connected. Okay.
Log in. Yeah. It has sent you a
verification. Trust the device. I click here.
Yeah.
Log in.
No, put the verification code. It will send you a verification. They sent you an email.
Okay, yeah.
And then you put the verification code there.
As I see.
Just click that, copy. Click on copy here.
Okay.
Okay, now go and paste. Paste. No, you are not pasting the right place. Paste where you're supposed to paste.
Here?
Yes, click. And then you paste. Yeah. Okay, now good. And then you click login. Okay, now this is the program here. Click on the name of the course itself. Something has happened. No, click on the name itself. That's the name down there.
This one here?
Yeah, Elite Digital Drop. Yeah, click on it. Click on the name itself. It may not open if you click there.
Yeah.
Yes. The name is clickable, so click on the name. Now this is the course. Click on the scroll down. So this is the module. These are all the videos of the training program here. These are all the videos of the training program, right? So this one is the French section, all that part that's right is the French section, and the other one is the English section. So now, what you're supposed to do now is the following. What part of this thing did you watch?
In English.
Yeah, what part did
the
you watch?
marketing, the marketing products.
Mm-hmm. What part of these videos did you watch, sir? Or what part did you not watch?
I watched the videos.
Which one?
I watched marketing offer and product research method.
Okay.
Website creation, organization of campaign.
Okay, module number 2, 3, and 4. That's what you watch.
Yes, I open it.
No, I'm asking whether or not you watch those videos.
Yes, I watch the videos.
Okay, all of
The
them.
only the ones in French, I don't understand the French.
No, it's the same thing. It's just I just translated the videos back in French. It's the same thing. So scroll up a little bit.
You translate it by yourself.
No, I speak French very well also.
I know.
Yeah, so I just did the same videos again 2 times.
Okay.
So So I did the videos again in English and I did the videos in French. Yeah.
Good.
So here we are at the point of like we want to do the drop shipping business. Drop shipping here is about module number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even up to module number 4. That is the content about drop shipping. Module number 5 is also going to help you in drop shipping to bring customers using Facebook, which is what we were already looking forward to organize a campaign a few minutes ago, and then we stopped. So module number 5 is about how to bring customers onto our online store using Facebook advertisement. Module number 5. Module number 4 is using influencers. How do we bring customers to our online store using influencers? You see, so you go on Instagram and then you have to find an Instagram influencer, you message her, and then now she'll reply using the strategies that I explained in that module number 4. So what we are going to do, we are not going to start with influencer marketing because of the budget. We are going to start with Facebook advertising. So module number 5. So you can write in your book that you will go through module number, let me just say module number 2, module number 3, and module number 5. To make sure that module number 3 is also very easy for you, we are going to create an online store using AI. Okay? Yeah, we're going to create an online store using AI. And it's going to be very, very easy and straightforward. You don't need to really stress yourself building the online store from scratch as I used to build it myself a few years ago. Now you can use AI to build an online store. But the part that you have to do, which you must do, is module number 2 and module number 5.
2 and 5.
Yes, module number 2.
Marketing offers and product research.
That's module number 2, and then module number 5, which is about
master Facebook and Instagram.
And Instagram advertisement ads. Yeah. So those are the 2 things that you must do. So and when you do those 2 things, the marketing offer, you have to go through the content. Scroll up, let me show you something to click.
Okay.
Up, scroll up. View and customize theme. That big button up there.
View. Okay.
Yeah, click on it. Okay. Go back one time. There's something that has happened. Go back to no, you cannot go back like that. Yes, open courses, click on courses. Or close it, just close the page.
Okay.
Okay, now click on module number 2. Okay, so all the courses right here as I'm seeing on your side now is currently inactive. Click on those 3 dots just in front of you there. 3 dots beside each of the things.
This one?
Click on activate, the first one, the first option. Yeah. Click activate. Confirm. Now it has become green. Do the same thing for the 2 others. Yeah. You have to activate the course, and then now you open customizing again, and then you come. So now close module number 2. Click back on it. Click back on module number 2. Go to module number 5 and do the same thing. Then you have your members area now.
Module number 5 is
module number 5.
Okay.
All of them are inactive. All there are 18. You have to do that for the first 18 videos, because the remaining other videos are the same thing, but are more detailed. I've placed the videos in such a way that one part of the videos is straightforward, and the next part of the video. So the first 18 videos are clearly explaining step by step how to do all about Facebook advertisement, and then the remaining from the number 1 to number 18, everything step by step from number 19 to number 28 is now well explained. So longer form of videos. Yeah. Okay, so now once you have done all this, you will click on the customize theme, and then now you can go now and go through these particular videos. I want you to go again through these things, and you start implementing what you have seen in those videos. It's very important that you not only watch the content of the course. Don't limit yourself to like, I'll only watch and then we'll do it.
No.
Don't limit yourself. Yeah.
I watch and put practice.
Exactly. So you watch and put into practice. Very important. And then I'll show you the AI platform that is going to build your online store. Okay. You see now how you are fast on computer.
I really thank you. I tell you, I thank you so much. Because without this, oh my God. If I tell somebody, it is my first time to touch it.
You bought a computer and you kept it in the house.
Yes, my first time to touch it.
Scroll complete down and see if you have something, if there's somewhere that they ask you to save. I'm not sure that they will ask you to save anything. Yeah.
It's only...
No, don't click there. Scroll back up, completely up to custom view and customize. Click on view and customize theme. Okay, now you see it has opened those 2 modules, module number 2 and module number 5. Click on module number 2.
Module number 2.
Yeah, first video, the first video number 1. Video 1. It's going to show on the other side when you click video 1.
Okay.
Click. That's it, has shown now. So now this is the video. Now scroll down a little bit, scroll down. You see it. So when you finish watching that video, you can click and mark as complete, and then you'll go automatically to the next video.
Okay, I will do it to the 5th one.
Yeah. So you have to watch the videos. You have to watch the videos, and then you have to not only watch the video, but you watch and implement. You watch and take notes, take down notes, and then now, let's say between now and tomorrow evening, you can be done with module number 2, and then work on it. Okay. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take the time from now to tomorrow evening, and then you go through these 3 videos, and then once you're finished going through these 3 videos now, we can implement it tomorrow.
If I finish watching, I click mark as complete.
Yeah, or you just go and click video number 2 there.
Okay. Then like this, I want to reach to the 5th.
Click on it.
To the 5th?
Click.
I post this one.
Pause. That's not pause. That's mute.
Okay, I mute it.
Yeah, and then now you can click on 1, 2, and then you continue one by one. Yeah. It is open. These ones are shortcut, straightforward, no need to worry yourself where what is long, why it is too long. So
I finish the one, I go to 2.
yeah, and I finish
Go to 3 until I finish the 18. It's
yes,
18.
yes.
Yeah, it's 18.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then if I finish, I will.
If you mark as complete, you will see the percentage increase there. Like it's at
Okay.
0% now like this. So when you mark as complete, you increase the percentage and percentage. And then don't close the page so that you can easily find yourself back again here.
Okay.
Yeah, scroll back up. Let me show you. Scroll back up. Not here, on the other side.
This side.
Yeah. Then go back to module. Click on module number 2. Then you can now click on video 1. Then you can now finish watching video 1 and then you mark as complete and then you go to the next video.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So any other question?
No other question here.
Okay, sir. So take the time and watch the video and then have something to write down. Very important.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so if you have a question, let me know later, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So God be with you and the family. We talk tomorrow.
The same thing with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So while you're doing all these things, this is the product research that you're learning how to find products, and then you have to propose me products that you have found, because this is what the video is telling you to do, how to find winning products. Now you finish looking how to find the winning products. Now you go and implement the strategies that I'm going to talk about in that thing, and then now you come and show me. You send me a WhatsApp like this is the 10 winning products. This is the 5 products or the 10 products that I found on the platform that I'm going to show you in that thing, and then let me know. Okay.
Okay. If I finish this one, I go to the 2. Then I finish the 3. I come to model 5.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to model 5. I do the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.